Good morning at siyempre ito na naman panibagong araw na naman at siyempre bago ang lahat, ingat muna tayo at merong malakas na bagyo. So ngayon mga gar, bali gagawa tayo ng 3-way kasi medyo maanuhan ng usapan dito at ito ang programang The Spokes yan at mapapanood lang natin yan sa Billionaire News Channel at siyempre dito sa 3-way na to ito yung tatlo silang magkakaharap para kitang-kita yung reaction pag bukbukan ng usapan or matindihan ng napag-uusapan na kailangan na talagang makita yung tatlong mukha nila na sabay-sabay. Ayan mga galad ng ginagawa natin. Siyempre dito ang ginawa natin, sa gitna ko nilagay yung Gear 3 kung nakikita nyo at yung Gear 2 doon ko ilalagay sa kabila kasi dalawa lang yung mayroon rotation dito. So ang meron lang rotation dyan yung Gear 1 at 2, so para may segue tayo sa 2-way yun yan, ganon, para ganon sila kasi nandun yung guest sa dulo, so ganon ang ginawa natin. Ito naman.
Nice. And what about what I'm saying is that in our mutual we have an agreement on the visiting forces that in fact it's contained in all visiting forces agreements that these forces will assist in rescue and relief efforts and disaster responses. Have they been doing this? Because you are one of the primary responders.
I cannot speak for the armed forces of since they are with the visiting force agreement is with the Dover. So definitely perhaps.
But have they assisted the Coast Guard?
For the Coast Guard?